Yeah, there we go, there we go. Stay on it, stay on it. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the show. Still got plenty of swell. That storm is out there, just handing it to us. It's a little smaller today, but it's 3 at 9, so it's gonna be fun. Let's get it. My hands are very slippery on this paddle, so I'll probably lose it at some point. Slippery. Woo! Yeah, there we go, there we go. Stay on it, stay on it. Okay, nope. There's the one. You. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. That is a real nice one. Robert's about to take off on one out there. Look way to the outside, right over the top of my head. Here he goes. He's dropping in. Well, there he goes, there he goes. Now that wave's getting serious. I can't see him, y'all can see him better. I can't see his board. I can just see his head moving over the, okay, I can see him now. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, I gotta watch myself. I'm too busy watching other surfers.